case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1979, the United States Bankruptcy Court for the District of Minnesota heard the case of Bergquist vs. First National Bank of St. Paul in Re American Lumber Company. The case revolved around the principle that those who have a responsibility to look out for another party's best interests must be honest and fair in their dealings. The First National Bank of St. Paul took control of funds and sold a portion of inventory belonging to American Lumber Company, ALC, after declaring the company to be in default on its promissory notes. ALC was subsequently declared bankrupt, and the transfers of security interests in inventory and equipment from ALC to the defendant were found to be voidable preferences. The defendant, the First National Bank of St. Paul, filed a proof of claim for a significant amount in the bankruptcy case, but was determined to have violated its duty to deal fairly and impartially with ALC's creditors. In 1974, ALC was a wholly owned subsidiary of Shelter Corporation of America, and in 1975, the purchase of its operating assets was completed by ALC, with the First National Bank of St. Paul serving as one of the primary lenders. After examining the case, the court made its findings of fact and conclusions of law and ordered a judgment accordingly. The plaintiff was granted the right to recover fraudulent transfers made by ALC to the defendant, and the defendant's claim was subordinated to the claims of general unsecured creditors. The plaintiff was awarded a judgment of $488,744.65, as the court determined that the defendant violated its duty to deal fairly with ALC and its creditors.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.